Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Finishing up a full wrap Rivian R1S, the SUV. It was the limestone gloss paint. We put the Xpel matte finish over it, stealth. And there's our gloss finish. And there's our stealth finish. So just a nice, subtle, flat look. Paint protection film. Self-heals, no waxing, fully guaranteed 10 years in writing. It was ceramic coated over with a 4-year product, the Xpel Fusion. And let's take a look at our work. So what we do and what we specialize in is fully wrapping the edges so there's no edges on top. So in all the edges, all the way down this front trunk. Emblems pop off real simple. We got new ones here, all in black. The lights fully wrapped in, the edge fully wrapped in, this bumper fully wrapped in. Coming around this hood, all fully wrapped, all the edges, all the corners capped off nicely, all the way around, fully done. Under these plastic fender flares, fully wrapped in. You won't see any gloss popping through or edges. The reason we wrap all those edges, it's the best way to do it to keep the edge from getting compromised. Plus, you will get rock hits. If you were to not wrap this edge and you left, about that much exposed, a rock's going to hit that. And that's how it is with most of them. Mirrors fully done both sides. All the A-pillars, all the gloss black, all the way up top's fully done, all the way across. Windows fully tinted with XR Plus, the highest heat rejection film available. Handles fully done and wrapped in the actual area where the circumference is. That's all wrapped in, all wrapped in, all wrapped in. So you guys get the picture. That's what we do, fully wrap everything in for the best look, for the most durability. If you have an edge, and let's say there was an edge here, and you're wiping with a towel and you keep wiping it and now the edge starts to get compromised, that's not covered under warranty. It's wear and tear. That's why, another reason why we wrap all our edges. There are no edges to get compromised. All the black was done, perfectly done. All this is all done, all wrapped in, no edges, no edges. We'll put the plate back on in a bit, and plus the black Rivian lettering. And the more we come around this way, there's just more and more to show what you want. And this is what you really want. You want those edges wrapped. I've heard a lot of excuses from other installers through my clients, but it just takes time and dedication and experience. So there it is, clearbrownorthdallas.com. I'm Brent, 214-414-3809. If you need anything, thanks for watching. Follow us to see what we're doing and what's up next. Appreciate you guys. clearbrownorthdallas.com.